Hello guys, in this video we will install the JDK and IDE. So I will open the new tab in my browser and search the JDK download on Google search. You will see the first website by Oracle. Open it. Okay, now scroll down so you will see the installer according to your operating system. So my operating system is Windows. I will start Windows x64 installation. You can choose an installer according to your preference. Wait for installation to complete. Okay, after completing downloading, go to the download folder where the JDK installer will be there. So now execute it. Okay, the installation successfully completed. Before downloading IDE, I will discuss what exactly IDE is. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So IDE is a program that allows us to write source code, compile code, debug tools, provide build files that can be executed by JVM, and most importantly, run our Java program. For example, when we have to write something, we need a paper. So as the same way, we need a material, we need a medium or source to write our code, which is IDE. Okay, now we will use IntelliJ IDEA in this course. You can use any other IDE. There are many IDE available in the internet. If you are beginner, IntelliJ IDEA is recommended. Okay, now we will download the IntelliJ IDEA. Go to the Google and search the IntelliJ IDEA download on search tab. Click the IntelliJ IDEA website and download community version. Don't download the ultimate version because it has 30 days trial. After 30 days they will stop working. Now the very first time it will look like this. Click the new project to create new project. Name the project. I will set name as first Java program, so you can set name as your choice. So the interference of IntelliJ IDEA look like this. Just for now, write system.out.println hello world. Just for now, feel it, become confident. In the next video, we will understand its structure. Save the playlist so that you cannot miss any new video from this channel.